Hey friends, Doug here, another trailer construction update video. I've had a busy couple of weeks, and even though I've been doing these videos about once a month, I've done enough in the last couple of weeks that I wanted to just do a quick update and let you know what's been going on. So last time in the video I talked about the new desks that I had done. So I got the front and then the right side. And then for the audio booth, what I've also done is created the desk for, ta-da, what's going to be the instant replay booth. And the monitor that's currently on the wall there, that's actually going to be on an arm that's mounted on this desk. And then that mouse and keyboard that you see there are actually going to the computer that you see down in the corner. That's the computer that's going to be running my instant replay software. Another thing, so I've got this little box here. Those are rack rails there, and I'm going to have an I/O panel in there, similar to the ones here, and then ta-da, over here on the right wall as well. So I did these boxes and panels since the last update. So one there at this is the PTZ station, pan tilt zoom camera station, and one there at the CG, or character or computer graphics. So those are done and wired and working. I also did, while I was at it, I also did labels for all of them. So I didn't have labels for any of these before. So even the ones in the front didn't have labels previously, but they do now. So anybody who's not familiar with the trailer can see what those connections actually do. All right, so I also did one other thing with the woodworking here, and that is this shelf. So the shelf holds these little gray bins, and I've shown these on other videos, but these bins hold, half of them hold the camera converters and little LCD monitors for the individual cameras. So in order to set up, get the camera to focus here, in order to set up for an event, the camera operator grabs a camera, a tripod, and then one of these bins, and then it has everything that they need, so they're good to go. So yeah, that shelf is there. The drill bits that are up there won't be there in transit, but there's a lip on there. So I'm having troubles with focus today, but there is a lip on there to prevent those things from sliding out. We'll see how it goes. I may need to strap them down, but for the time being, I don't really have to strap much of anything down, so it might be all right just leaving them how they are. So let's see what else. I've really done quite a lot. Just some other little things. A mount for the Xbox controller for PTZ on the wall there, and also the most important part of the trailer, an Xbox, along with the controller for that on the wall. That's just really to give the crew something to do if we ever have any downtime. I also put another intake fan in the side here to just help with airflow. So let's see, show you guys something else here. So right now I've got a hard drive that's currently being scanned. I almost got bit once with a hard drive that had some bad sectors on it. Fortunately, I didn't lose anything because I always make 2 copies of everything. But one of the hard drives that I had been writing to, and it's a brand new drive, had some bad sectors on it. So now I make it a practice of scanning every sector of the drive before I show up on site, just to make sure that I'm not going to end up with some unreadable files from the recordings. So let's see. Oh yes, yeah, I forgot about this. So additional woodworking here. I added a couple of shelves right there, so you can see the craft services, or just snack box anyway. And then got my 2-way radios are down there now. So yeah, those are there. To give you guys a little better view of the instant replay desk, it's the only one that actually has oak sides on it. Everything else is going to be just covered in carpet. The other thing about this one is it's actually removable. So there are 4 bolts that hold it to the wall, and those are easily removable, and then the whole desk comes out. And that's actually why this panel right here has a bottom on it, whereas the other ones do not, because these desks stay put, and so there was no need for a bottom on those boxes, because the desk itself can serve as the bottom there. So this box will get mounted on the wall, and that's a really great monitor, and have all the connections in it for that station. So monitor, USB, a few others. So there's that. Let's see. Those are really the highlights. I feel like I've done a lot more because I've spent an awful lot of time in here. But some of the little things just add up, you know, like punching all the holes and screwing down all those connectors. You know, just those two panels ate up several hours, and basically a full evening, just wiring those up. So, yeah. So some of the little things that a lot of people wouldn't even notice are some of the things that take the most time to actually get them done. So, before I go, I wanted to get some feedback from you guys. I have not purchased a review item from the Patreon money for this month, so I just wanted to get some feedback, see if there's anything you guys think would be interesting and beneficial. I'm sort of leaning towards some of the new Blackmagic stuff that was announced at NAB, but I'm not sure. So I have a budget of about $500, just a little under $500, to buy something for review this month. So share down in the comments below what you think I ought to do for review this month. So anyway, do appreciate you guys watching. If you have questions about anything, leave them in the comments below or contact me on my website. Quick link there is djp.li/contact, or you can just go to djprod.biz and click on the contact us link. If you have any other suggestions, smart remarks, or otherwise, you can leave those in the comments as well. If you want to help contribute for the Patreon reviews, go to patreon.com/djprod, P-R-O-D, and sign up there. All the money that we collect from Patreon goes towards reviewing products. It's not for me, it's not for my company, it's for you guys. So appreciate any help you guys give us there. So anyway, hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you later.